Ouais, t'es où hier? Épisode 3 du coup, ok. J'ai pensé, hop, hop. Ah, comme ça c'est bien.
Whoa, 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 hey, what are you doing?
Brother, your warranty already void.
How can you just toss it around like that?
No worries, I'm pretty strong.
That's not what I'm saying.
How you got this thing inside your apartment anyways? Oh, super heavy, the bugger.
I disassembled it and took it in little pieces, which is what I thought you'd be doing.
And how long that take you?
3 or... No, it was 4 days.
I get 20 minutes.
Feels like you could be a little gentler with it. It is, you know, my whole fucking life.
Every time I walk in this place, I get sad. That not happen to you? No one ever tell you that? Or no one never come over to tell you that?
I'm poor, Royd. Is that what you want to hear? Does that make you feel good?
Ha, bro, you're not poor if you can keep this suit going. Like, where you sleep?
We're figuring that out.
You're figuring that out, huh? Shoot, even the beef got a bed. This the type of apartment you see when the detective kick the door in, you know? Shine the flashlight, serial killer shit.
All right, I get it. Can we focus on...
Where the Astro Pulse at?
Lost in the blast while I was flying. No clue where it landed. I spent a couple weeks after it happened trying to track it down.
It powered the whole suit.
Yeah, it's the only piece of the suit my dad didn't have schematics for. That gonna be a problem?
Ah, mine not. We figure them out.
How'd you know about the Astropulse?
Oh, brother, everybody know about the Pulse. There's actually 2 wicked pieces of tech, huh? First you get the Astro Pulse, this genius design energy cell. But inside them, you get the stellar core.
Can I help?
No, brother, you good. What's crazy is when you mix the control fusion reactions with the plasma containment. Oh, brother, you got a core one super crazy energized plasma state. Unreal stuffs. Like you caught one small star and chop them in a bottle. Genius.
So you can just make me a new one, right? Which is why it's not a problem.
The Astropulse super awesome, but we'll be all right. Whew. Man, maybe we go for lighter metals this time, huh? You know, I actually met your dad one time, long time ago. First time I come mainland. Don't catch me trying to steal stuff from Radio Shack. Then we talk tech stuff.
Ah, c'est un ancien méchant lui. Ok.
Then he would take me to jail. That's how I ended up in the Phoenix program.
That's longer than any conversation I ever had with him.
Bummers.
Merde.
Guess when you're building Astropulses, there's not much time for talking to your son.
Not so sure about that.
I don't understand.
You see, there's gearheads, then there's science nerds. One kind garage, the other kind lab, you know. Your father will go gearhead, but I just can't see how he'll make something like the Pulse. You know, science nerd.
How would you know this from talking to him once?
Cause I'm both. True, I'm the one gonna fix your suit.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Over there, that's your father's suit.
Il a manqué une armure?
The Robert suit.
Ok, swag.
This is incredible, Royd.
Ah, c'est- ok.
I hope you like it, brother.
Royd, I don't know what to say. Thank you. Thank you is what I need to say. This is unreal.
We make the man Mecca again.
Ok, stylé. Stylé, stylé. Kobe. J'ai amené le caps au taf. Ok. Oh.
Hey, Chase, I need a favor.
Favor? It's not enough of a favor getting you this job working with those stupid ass pieces of. Oh, who's this, huh? Who's this little guy?
His name's Beef, and he's the favor. You mind keeping an eye out? I feel bad leaving him at home, but I don't want anything happening to him.
Robert, I would literally let everyone here melt in eternal hell, including you, before anything happens to this dog.
Oh, what's your name, little guy?
My name's Beef and I'm naked.
Oh, no, I refuse to believe that's what he sounds like. Robert, you got a sec?
Sure, yeah. What's up?
About the other day with Phenomenon.
Oh, yeah. How's dinner?
Oh, it was awkward. It's why I didn't want you to come. Phenomenon and I broke up.
Oh.
Over Tokyo Dream Sushi?
Yeah, it's just the timing felt right. I don't know. Sometimes you just gotta shake shit up. It felt a little impulsive, but maybe it was a long time coming. It's hard to say.
Je vais dire désolé, vas-y.
I'm really sorry to hear that.
Ouais, vas-y, on fait le good guys. Je suis un bon, je suis un tigre.
It is what it is. But that's actually not what I wanted to talk to you about. I was thinking about it over the weekend, and I'm going to cut someone from the Z team.
Oh.
Or you are, rather. Maybe I'm just looking to shake things up all over the place. Create a sense of urgency.
You sure about that?
Well, less sure now. You think it's a bad idea?
I'm just not sure how it'll play out.
The reality is, cutting someone towards the bottom of the leaderboards will show everyone we're serious.
I'll let the team know.
Oh, I already did.
I suppose it'll be an interesting shift.
Cut day, huh? She ain't bad. Those three ain't shit.
Did you come over here to tell me that? Because it's almost exactly the information a leaderboard gives you.
Actually, smart ass, I came over to tell you that one of your team members is in need of assistance.
Sonar, you alright? Why are you sending a distress call when you haven't left the building?
Could you send a locksmith downstairs?
What happened?
Coop seduced me.
No. I said, hey, want to see something cool, and then handcuffed you to a squat rack.
But you said it with a hot voice, so I assumed you meant boobs.
Okay, Blazer mentioned someone's getting cut, but don't let that distract you from doing a good job out there. That's what you'll be judged on.
What a bunch of bullshit.
Sorry, what's bullshit?
Judgy bullshit.
How is that?
Yeah, only God can judge me.
Okay, false. I'm judging you right now.
It's bullshit, because it's not like you gotta deal with this kind of bullshit.
Also false. Of course I'm being judged along with the rest of you. Do you not know what a job is? What the hell is going
None
on?
of us have had real jobs, dude. How is this a surprise to you?
All right, fine. Just ignore the pressure and do your jobs. You don't need to be first. You just can't be last.
What about me?
Can somebody go down to the gym and help Batboner?
Who?
Don't ask.
Losing feeling in my hand, and not in a fun, kinky way. An altercation with my team and a monster down at the beach, and there's some debris of.
Retirer les gestes du mangeur à la plage. Charger les morceaux du mangeur dans un camion de collecte de déchets. Forte présence médiatique et civile. Donc il faudrait de la force. C'est pas lui que je vais envoyer, frère. Nique ta mère, toi. Ah, je peux pas le... J'ai pas envie. Mais pourquoi je n'ai... Mais frère... Le frère, je ne voulais pas l'envoyer lui. Pas tout seul. Pas... Pourquoi? Il a pas du tout ce qu'il faut. Ah ouais, logique, frère. Ah ouais, non, mais... Bah ouais, frère. Bah ouais, frère. C'est pas toi que je voulais envoyer, en fait.
There's a drug deal happening at the Torrance airport right now. I think you should send the bad guy. He seems right for the job.
Oh, quelqu'un qui connaît bien les drogues. On avait une toxico, non? On avait pas une giga droguée avant? Oh merde, putain. On va la chauve-souris. Je pense qu'on peut envoyer les deux.
Boss?
Mais
Fuck
pourquoi?
yeah. My two favorite things. Drugs and boobs.
Pourquoi?
Nobody sabotages me except me. That's more of an existential thing. Why get in the pot in the first place? I don't want to talk about it.
Flambe is quite receptive to promotional language. He's a marketer's dream.
Got you. Fuck you.
What the fuck did you do? I'm drowning in here.
There we go. Still got it.
Je suis perdu, frère. Je suis perdu, frère.
Yeah,
OMG?
your fucking time.
OMG? Hein? Je panique? Ah non, ok. Wow, 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 wow. Bah non, ça me...
Hurry the fuck up.
Frère. Waouh, oh, mon cerveau en ébullition, quoi. God of War, la trilogie remake, je vais me foutre en l'air. Pourquoi tu vas te foutre en l'air? C'est bien, non? Gauche, bas, bas. Gauche, bas, bas. C'est quoi, du coup, la trilogie, c'est les 3 premiers qui sont sortis à l'époque?
Drowning in a sensory deprivation tank is not the kind of wet I like to be, Robert.
Uh-huh. You know, this is really fucking immature, guys.
Serves them right. You let your guard down, you perish.
That's a pretty fucked way to live.
Emphasis on live.
Oh my god. You do realize that sabotaging each other isn't going to guarantee you a spot on the team, right? Fucking idiots.
Hey, my grandma just got scammed by someone claiming they work for you guys. She gave them her credit card numbers, social security numbers, all the bad numbers.
Ooh, okay. I see you. Picking from the cream of the crop.
Non.
I'll be right back. Just gotta go powder my cocaine.
Dude, you promised me you were gonna come back.
I will, right after this bump. And like 4 more bumps.
Been a while since I had to call in a coke-related favor. But this shit was worth it for sure.
Ugh, fuck you.
I'd be impressed by this.
Avec Mamie, pourquoi ils ont annoncé...
Wasn't an ever-increasing pain.
Ils ont annoncé un truc avec...
Should be wearing protection. Wait, that didn't sound right.
Ils ont annoncé un truc avec RE aussi?
I think it's a drug deal.
You look different.
Graceful, but deadly. I didn't know dogs could be so huge and menacing.
Il y a un jeu pour toi avec un poulet. Ah, comment ça?
Kill this dog. I'm just not going to. I have my reasons.
Comment ça? Quel jeu? Poulet? Chicken Street, Chicken Street. Ah si frère, je vais perdre tous mes soldats en fait là.
Vibes were off on that one. I can do better.
You got someone that can figure out how to stop a landslide?
Stand aside.
As hot and threatening as that sounds, I'm not going anywhere. We're tied for the bottom. With fucking Invisigal.
Not for long.
Dude. Beberto, my boy, excellent choice. First of many we could
Un jeu de John Wick.
Oh my fucking god. Sonar, you have signed your death warrant.
Worth it. Next time, don't promise a man boobs.
No one promised you anything.
J'ai pas le niveau. Bah ouais, putain, mais fais du gros, fais du dos gros. Putain. Je... Allez, elle va mourir en fait. Absorbe-le, frère.
Technically, he did it to himself.
Absorbe-le, il a pas le cerveau pour ça, c'est ça?
What happened?
She's fine. Just walked into my sword with her face a little bit.
I don't believe in punching women, but I do believe in punching demons.
Yeah, try it.
J'avais 6... Quoi? Je suis dedans, je suis dedans. Fils de pute. C'est bon ça, non? J'étais bien, frère. Ouais.
Don't be intimidated.
Kana 2 aussi, oh là là, vive le game. Je sais pas c'est quoi Kana. Je sais pas ce que c'est.
Half man, half bat, all freak.
Je peux pas mettre pause en fait. J'aimerais bien regarder le truc que tu m'as envoyé, je ne peux pas mettre pause, frère.
Ah, excellent choice. You know,
Parce que si je le tape... Oh, oh putain, putain. Oh t'enculé. Waouh, waouh.
Can we get some help over here? The lot is packed. No one moved in like an hour.
consider it done. What's a guy gotta do to rise up the ranks around here?
Hey, Robert. I'm pretty sure I've got the scammer on the line.
Il se passe trop ce truc. Putain, tu l'as vu. Putain.
Alright, let's see where this asshole is. Warmer. Nearly there. Got him. Give me a minute, people.
Frère, attends. Il se passe trop de trucs là. Wow. Wesh. Un jeu de John Wick, putain, mais j'ai cru que c'était un jeu de poulet style John Wick. Eh, j'ai rien compris, frère.
Too close.
Je n'ai rien compris. Je n'ai rien compris, c'est bon? J'ai cru que c'était un jeu de John Wick, moi. Mais du coup, non. C'est un jeu de John... Enfin, un jeu de John Wick, sans poulet. C'est John Wick, le real John Wick, le tueur à gages, pampan. C'est pas un poulet qui fait John Wick. Et le jeu que tu m'as envoyé, la vidéo, c'est le poulet. C'est un gros poulet qui tape des gens. Qu'on soit bien d'accord. Ah, frère, j'ai trop de trucs à gérer. J'ai trop de trucs à gérer. C'est dur, frère.
Close your eyes. You're not gonna like what you see anyway.
Ok. Donc ça, c'est le jeu du poulet. Ok, donc tu joues un poulet super stylé. Quel gars de Kenny Reeves, putain. Yeah. Ok. Après, vas-y. C'est un trailer, ça a l'air super stylé. Ça va être un jeu à la Hitman, je pense, non? Genre style Hitman un peu. Un peu de mal avec ce genre de jeu. Prends ma manette. Fils de pute. Bah, frère. Wesh, mais. Ok. Ok. T'as jamais vu à la fin, connard. Ça va, ça? Oh ouais, je peux pas jouer. Eh, je peux. Oh, un. J'ai cliqué sur Al Capote. Même pas à la fin. Ok, ouais. Ouais, ça va être un délire Lightman, du coup. Ça va être un délire Lightman, du coup. Peut-être un peu plus bourrin, je pense, du coup. Enfin, tu pourras y aller un peu plus bourrin, du moins. Je suppose. En toute logique. Ok, ouais, bah c'est stylé. Stylé de ouf, du coup. Cool, cool, cool. Ah, mais frère, comment tu veux que je fasse ça? J'ai mis ma fameuse la plus rapide sur la mission, frère.
Burglar spotted, headed towards the alley on Fourth Street.
I'll handle this. No. Stay out of my way. Fuck off.
What are you doing in Visigow?
Not getting cut?
It's like you said. The way to win this leaderboard
Game is to not lose, right?
Yeah, that's not what I said.
I'm pretty sure that's what you said.
Super stylé, ouais.
Yeah, so the perp that just ran by was lightning struck. This is now the second time that you let him get away.
No shit. That's crazy.
Bro, chill out.
I'd normally say cut her, but the way things are going, I'd cut the whole damn team. You need a reset, Robbie.
All Z team back to base and in the conference room in 20 minutes.
Ah, j'ai chié aujourd'hui, là. Hein. Ah ouais, là, j'ai chié de baiser, hein. Oh, ah ouais. Ouah, putain, sa mère. Je vais me faire taper dessus, là. Hein. Je sais pas, yo.
Anyone else think this is a waste of time?
Yeah, I know.
Like, what are we doing here? What the fuck is the point of this?
I'd rather be somewhere else.
I had 1,000 better things to do. There is so many good videos I can be watching right now.
I was about to hit the gym to give Teresa and Susan a good bit of a workout.
Can everyone
Franchement,
take a seat
même
so we can
pas
start?
sûr.
Hey, can I get your attention, please? I would like to get started. So
Oh, looks like this motherfucker got the power to fly.
Bobby boy, watch where you're going, huh?
Oh, serves you right.
Hey. I understand you're big, but you need to be considerate of the people around you.
You in trouble?
Have a seat.
I'll sit on the floor.
Suit yourself.
But it's back now because everyone's so possessed.
What's going on?
Oh, I offered him a seat.
Après, en soi, un émulateur, c'est pas interdit, je crois.
Getting this party started?
Yeah, what's this shit about? Let's go. Come
Ce qui est interdit, c'est de télécharger des jeux que t'as pas.
As you know, by the end of today, one of you will be cut from the C team.
This is bullshit.
Yeah, you said that already.
Cut me from a job I didn't want in the first place.
Miss Blazer, maybe if you gave us a dispatcher who knew what they were doing, you wouldn't have to throw no one out.
Hey, Nicki Mirage, I'm standing right here. You can talk to me.
I wasn't talking to you, bitch. Which weak-ass superhero team did you come from? Fucking Geek Squad?
Doesn't matter where I'm from, Cardi C. What matters is I'm here to figure out who stays and who goes.
Yeah, chill out, lady. Ha ha. Let the man talk.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Shit, you hipster motherfucker. Over here looking like Mumford fucked all his sons.
That was funny. See? We're just busting balls.
Keep talking. You won't have your tiny inbred balls left.
Oh, t'es censé avoir le jeu, mais qui va vérifier?
Don't threaten me, you butter knife bitch.
Okay, I'll make this quick. Most people will look around this room and see a bunch of villains. Not even the super kind, just plain ass, run-of-the-mill, vanilla fucking villains. But that's not what I see. Because lucky for you, I'm not most people. When I look around this room, what I see is...
Putain!
Did you not plan this ahead of time?
De la souffrance!
pain.
Describes what I'm feeling.
Now, I can't take that pain away. I can't punish all of those that hurt you, but I can teach you how to harness it, to use it, to make something good out of the part of you they didn't get. You're all part of the Phoenix program. Any of you know what a Phoenix is?
Ooh, city in Arizona.
Yeah, the sweltering ball sack of America.
Nah, if Florida's the dick, then Louisiana's got to be the ball sack. Just, you know, position.
The Phoenix,
Sorry.
according to legend, is a beautiful bird of
Tu sais que ça ressemble quand même à Hashtag, hein, putain.
immortality. It tricked the sun god into dropping a spark on its nest to set it ablaze, burning it to shit. But instead of dying, the Phoenix emerged from ash, reborn. All of you in this room are Phoenixes, and it's obvious what that means. But for you dumb ones, I'll spell it out. The Phoenix symbolizes redemption. It's what you're here for. It's what connects everyone in this room.
Y a pas la meuf invisible.
Who you were to become who you were meant to be.
Phoenix is also a lame-ass band my lame-ass roommate listens to.
You're late.
I like that band.
You would. What are you talking about? I was here the whole time. I turned invisible, genius, remember?
Great. Then you know we're cutting someone, and you, Miss Hot Topic Sale, are at the bottom of the leaderboards. Have a better second shift.
Tu joues à quoi, Yu, en ce moment sur,
What for a coupe? We all know you'll just be working.
sur Emu, là?
That's a croupier, you idiot.
The fuck's a croupier? I'm just saying, you're a degenerate gambler.
Ah!
Speech back there, Robert.
Thanks.
All right, everyone, you heard the man. Get out there and do some stellar dispatching. You got this.
Ok, zbardzi!
Client requires protection while he does some shopping.
I remember this man, and he's right to be paranoid. Secret police hired me 3 years ago to kill him. He pissed off the wrong dictator, who shall remain nameless.
Point for the road?
Devrait bien le faire, je pense, lui, non? Il est robuste.
What joke?
Offered me a seat? I just got it. That was funny.
Bro, that was like 3 hours ago.
Ah, j'ai presque les bonnes stats en vrai. Hein. Il est presque dans le bon, lui. Lui, c'est. Le petit Ningui, là. En place, hein.
Some bitch just cut me in line at the Utopia concert. I've been here for 12 fucking hours.
Utopia's a hack. I like her. You basic, fat bitch. You've got super hearing and you use it to listen to a girl who knows 4 chords and can't write a song to save her life.
Say what you want. It's catchy.
Unbelievable.
Calmement. Je pense que lui, il peut le faire.
You ever feel like you had so much potential and you're being wasted as a cog in a corporate machine? I don't.
Yo, Mal, what kind of music you got in your heavy rotation right now?
You know, honestly, it's a lot of ska, but I had like a really big techno yodeling phase recently too.
Dang. Anything good you'd recommend?
Depends. Do you like the sensation of your ears bleeding?
Nah, I'm good.
Alright, all for me.
Il est pas fort, lui. Ok. Il est pas très fort, faut.
Sure we don't work on commission? Time to freak some fuckers out.
I think there's some kind of cult recruiting outside my store. They're creeping everyone out.
Hello.
Yeah, this cult is definitely on the going to hell list. Ah, supporters of Chad. Yeah, I know just what to say. I will have them running for the hills in no time.
Bien joué, famille.
There's a bunch of men in the basement of the Giga Burger for some kind of fight club. I don't know how they got here, but they need to go.
There's been fighting tourneys ever since the first chimp made a fist. You're crazy if you think you can shut this down.
Peut-être lui mettre un peu plus de brain, ouais, non, où est-ce qu'on... Ouais, vas-y. Prends un peu de cerveau.
My client requires protection at lunch with the governor of California.
But he's still alive. Are you going soft on us, Coop?
Please. They couldn't pay. So, I canceled the job. No cash, no kill. So far, SDN's always paid on time and in full, so as long as the check's clear, I will kill or protect as they see fit.
I thought they didn't let us kill people around here.
As they see fit.
Il a fait du bon boulot, lui, je pense. Ah ouais, parfait. Exactement, les brothers. Elle a fait un boulot parfait. Eux, j'en avais mis 2, 1, je sais plus. Parfait, voilà.
Word on the street is the tourney just relocated. Coop would know where.
I'm on it.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle fait? C'est...
I've learned from my sources that the next tournament will be held at the refinery in 1 hour.
That's some bullshit.
New me? Fucking rocks.
What's up, big guy?
Hey, what's up, little
fly. Well, officially, legally. Your
Ok.
capable heroes need a flight license.
A wise investment. Who, you think the SDN can be bribed? Maybe this whole leaderboard thing goes away.
Bribes? Doubtful. But how do you think they feel about menacing threats?
Vas-y, elle fait trop la meuf coupée de ses morts là. Bon, moi ça passait aise. Voilà. J'ai surévalué le truc. Au moins ça donne de l'expérience à tout le monde, c'est cool.
Don't call me baby. But thanks, dude.
Ça donne de l'expérience à tout le monde, c'est fine. Peut-être faut plus de charisme, mon gars. Je sais pas quelqu'un d'autre qui a si. T'as un peu une. Un peu un fragile, quoi. Les héros au sol. Ok, banger.
My client requires protection at the Torrance Pier.
Give me all you got, fuckers.
On n'est pas trop. Oh putain. On tempo. Tempo.
And if SDN disagrees with me, they're more than welcome to come on. Lindsay, send our address.
Oh, what's it going to be this time? I'm not made of cow shit. God damn it. That was that one time.
Yo, Flambe! About your position at the top of the leaderboard.
Don't be jealous.
I took a little peek at your file. Apparently you've contained more fires than anyone else on the team.
I'm like a psychic, man. I can sense where they're going to be before they happen.
Listen, there's a lot of potential here for a good housing insurance scheme. Just need a middleman. I could be your guy.
Ah, interesting. You know, if I'm ever in the market for a rat with wings, I know where to find you.
Ouais, attention, héroïque supplémentaire. Ça sert à quoi? Ok. Putain, il y a ça sonne de partout, frère.
Lightning struck spotted. Urgent care on Street.
We needed another backup dancer. So. Call me a bogo bitch.
Là, faut pas qu'il y ait une couille parce que je suis dans la merde. Hein. Un petit café.
Beautiful.
On va faire ça. Eh, c'est chaud en vrai. Hein. Putain, c'est. Waouh. Ok, ça, c'est stylé ça.
I'm at the Torrance Bank and there's these guys with masks and guns.
J'ai qu'un gars. Oh.
Okay. I think I'm liking this benevolent devil vibe.
Je suis dans la D là. Non. Ok. J'ai eu peur.
Everybody should step back.
Je tempo. Je tempo ma régène. Chez vous. Ok, banger. Les bâtards, putain, mais... Oh. Oh, je suis trop chaud, frère.
And that's how we do it down under.
Continue un jeu sur PC où t'avais ton pro... T'as connu un jeu sur PC où t'avais ton propre super-héros et tu devais fight d'autres clans? Ça, moi, j'ai eu tard le PC. Hein. J'ai pas connu beaucoup... Je connais pas beaucoup de jeux PC, moi. Je me dirais, en fait, même console, ça me dit rien du tout. Hein.
Taking work back there. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all.
The shit is weird. It's like we're working, what's the word? As a team.
Uh-huh. Baby, that's got a name. It's teamwork.
Isn't that like a sex thing?
What type of sex thing would that be?
It's not really.
C'est quoi, genre, tu faisais ton perso et puis t'allais taper d'autres gars, genre?
Oh, damn, boy. That's some fucking teamwork, all right?
C'est Hero 0. Ça me dit rien du tout, je crois.
Invisiga, where are you going?
Ouais, t'avais une base et tu pouvais rejoindre un clan à l'ancienne et te battre contre des joueurs. Ah ouais, ok, c'était un truc en ligne, genre. Hero 0.
There you go. One more strike against me. You gotta get rid of somebody, right?
Yeah.
Making it easy for you.
No, you're quitting. You're not making it easy for me. You're
C'est un jeu
making it
navigateur.
for you.
You don't get it. Some people are born to be heroes. I'm not one of them. I tried. Just wasn't meant to be.
Meant to be. What are you talking about?
Blazer, Phenomena Man, they have hero powers. Strong
Ah non.
for all to see.
Flying through the sky. Nothing to hide.
What's your point?
I have fucking villain powers. I can turn invisible and skulk in the shadows. My powers let me steal shit and watch famous people fuck. Being a villain is my fate. It's in the fucking stars. In the same way that blonde Blazer was always meant to be a hero.
Oh, you're looking for answers in the stars. Well, listen, they're just rocks or gas or alien cum. Okay, I don't know.
If you don't know, why are you still talking?
They're not even real. Okay, any message you're seeing is light that took thousands of years.
Tu joues à ça, toi?
If you're getting any messages, it's useless. Because it was for some fucker that died a long time ago.
You've already been a hero, okay? You have no idea what I'm dealing with.
Oh, get out of here. At least you were born with powers. I don't have shit. So according to your dumb
Dale,
theory,
putain.
I should be an accountant.
You aren't far off.
Fate, destiny, not having powers, seasonal depression. None of these things kept me
From being a hero before. And they won't keep me from being a hero again. Oh my god. You want to talk about fate?
That lightning struck fuck that's been on a spree is 2 blocks from your location. Maybe it's third time's the charm.
I told you. I'm out.
You really want to let this idiot get one over on you a third time?
What makes you think it'd be any different?
Invisigal, just get one for the road. You're still on the clock. Fuck this guy.
Je sens que t'as un caleçon, tongue, t'as fait une fille cap.
Finished by getting zapped so hard I pissed my pants? That style?
I promise I won't tell anyone if you piss your pants, no matter the reason.
Non, moi, je jouais à des jeux, c'était des jeux genre Dragon Ball un peu, et tu devais faire ton personnage avec... tu faisais ton perso avec des parties d'autres, genre des tenues d'autres persos et tout.
What's the address?
C'était stylé de ouf. C'était stylé de ouf. 26 millions, putain, c'est propre. Il y avait un jeu, c'était un jeu Dragon Ball, et c'était en mode Mario Kart aussi sur navigateur. Ça, c'était de la frappe. C'était de la frappe de ouf.
Got a hero crashing the party?
Load that up.
Where's your boy? Shit.
Ouais. Il y avait un jeu aussi. T'étais un gars avec un masque de squelette. Enfin, ouais, un casque en mode squelette avec une tronçonneuse. Et tu montais dans un bâtiment et tu devais tu déchiquetais tout le monde, genre. C'est trop bien ça aussi. Je kiffais ce jeu.
Got him. He's at your 5 o'clock.
Et celui-là, il est assez connu, celui-là, je pense.
I'm flying blind here. I can't see anything.
Ouais, bah moi je jouais à ça quand j'étais petit, frère. Sur le PC de mon daron. Sur le PC du salon. Après, on me demande pourquoi j'ai mal tourné, frère. Je jouais à un jeu, fallait littéralement découper des mecs avec une tronçonneuse, frère.
Antivirus. There you are.
Je le spam aussi ce jeu, mais c'était trop bien en vrai. Moi j'ai kiffé de ouf, gros. Je trouvais ça trop bien comme jeu.
I can see again.
Je jouais à ce jeu en cours. Moi j'étais trop petit pour avoir l'ordinateur à l'école. C'était avant le collège.
I can't see anything with the camera. Let me try to get another.
Il y avait un jeu aussi, t'étais une... c'est pas vraiment une goutte, mais genre il y avait en mode un feu et un peu en mode eau. Et c'était un peu de la coop, genre. Là, c'est stylé, ça. Une espèce de petit jeu de plateforme, un peu.
Don't you mess with me.
Ah, les jeux navigateurs, c'est de la frappe, en vrai. Hein. C'est de la frappe de ouf.
He's at your 7.
That wasn't so hard, was it?
He's heading your way.
Je jouais de tennis, j'étais accro. Moi, c'était que les jeux Dragon Ball. Naruto aussi, un peu.
Invisigal, I got a plan.
Je jouais de ouf à ça, moi. Les jeux, tout ce qui était animé et tout. C'était ma cam.
Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Ah!
Les jeux d'escape, sinon. Ouais, je joue pas trop à ça, moi.
Got it.
Après, il y a un jeu, par contre. C'est pas un jeu de navigateur, mais c'était un jeu sur le téléphone de ma daronne. C'était Dragon City, je crois, une connerie comme ça.
One.
Oh lolo. Oh lolo, lolo.
Three.
Ça, c'était du jeu, ça. Ça, c'était du gaming, ça. Hein. Oh là là, comment je kiffais ce jeu, frère. Comment je kiffais ce jeu. Ah, comment faut voir. Quand je sortais des cours, que j'allais dans la voiture de ma daronne. Ensuite, on allait chercher ma soeur au collège. Mais faut voir comment je disais à ma daronne, donne-moi ton téléphone. Et je jouais à ça et à Temple Run. Oh là là. Comment je me la butais aux deux jeux là, frère.
Would have been better if you said it first.
Il y avait Subway Surfer aussi. Subway Surfer, ça spammait de ouf. C'était de la frappe de baiser, ça.
Why are those assholes not being assholes?
Isn't this what you were going for?
Yeah, but I didn't think it would work. I don't get it.
So, this one keeps the comm line one-on-one. This one connects to the whole team.
Cityville, je connais. Ah, ça me dit un truc, je crois.
This one goes out to the entire branch.
Fuck.
Good job. Yeah, you got off light. One just has to broadcast the details of
Cityville.
his botched circumcision.
Ouais, je connais, mais ça je jouais pas à ça. Ça jouais pas à ça.
All that, you really think she has a shot? All that stuff about fate sounded good, but I don't know if you were just saying what you thought she needed to hear.
Ou c'était Dragon? Attends. J'ai dit c'était quoi le nom? Oui, c'était Dragon City le nom, j'ai dit.
If Invisigal wants this, she has to commit. It's too easy to quit when you're not good at something.
Ah, c'était trop bien Dragon City, frère. Oh là là, c'était tellement... Putain, j'ai pas vu ce qu'elle m'a dit, frère. Putain, elle m'a dit quoi? Elle m'a dit quoi? Merde.
Genuinely, dude, I'm really happy for you.
Putain, j'ai pas vu. Elle va se souvenir de quoi?
Between Sonar and Coop.
What? That's not no. Invisigal's still at the bottom of the board.
Oh, the one in the bullpen? That thing updates every hour. Invisigal moved up. Catching lightning struck really gave her a huge boost.
Bagel Boy, really?
The donut shop escape, slipping past Malevola, now the jewelry store, really bumped up the wanted levels.
It's like missing the free throw on purpose to get the putback.
Yeah, exactly. I don't watch football, but I get it. Look, I know I'm not supposed to play favorites here, but even if she was on the bottom, I'm not sure I'd have let you cut her.
Then it's a good thing she's not.
Yeah. So, these two are now tied for last place. Who do we cut? Sonar or Coop? It's your call. I support it all the way.
Je l'aime pas, elle.
Coop. If I'm honest, she still feels a little...
Evil?
Yeah.
That's too bad. All right. I'll get started on the paperwork.
I'll let her know. Feels important that I do.
Hey, Robert. Great work today.
Merci la famille. Merci, merci, tu régales. Wow.
Coop, I'm sure you already know why I've asked you here.
You would be mistaken.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm letting you go. You're at the bottom of the leaderboards. I guess all those penalties for, you know, cutting people added up. I'm sorry.
But I cheered for Invisigal.
You did. I saw that. That was cool of you.
I only did that because I thought she was being cut.
Oh, that makes sense. A lot of sense, actually. Yeah, well, she snuck past you with the last dispatch. That's, wow, look at that. That's very menacing. Well, thank you.
Le couteau, c'est pas comme la balle qu'il disait au début, genre... Elle me menace de mort, là. Elle me dit qu'elle va me tuer, là. Hein. Je suis pas fou, hein. Elle veut ma mort. Mamma mia, mamma mia. Ça fait un joli bâtaron, en vrai. Hein.
You accessorizing?
You could call it that.
Where'd you get that?
Coop. She left a souvenir for me after I cut her.
She threatening you, Robert.
I know. Trying to put a positive spin on it.
Hey, check it out. I've been doing some accessorizing myself.
Il a mis des photos du chien. Ah non.
You were spoiling him.
Super ferme.
You ready to go home, bud?
Oh, ça me dit rien, ça. Super ferme. Ah si, ouais. Ouais, c'était un peu comme Happy Day, genre. Je crois que c'était ça, c'était Happy Day. Non. Si? Non. Putain, merde, c'était quoi?
I still would have cut you.
Well, no one fucking asked you, old man.
Lucky fucking for you.
Non, putain, merde, c'était quoi le...
Thanks.
Avec la ferme. Putain. Happy Ferme? Non, c'était pas Happy Ferme. C'était un jeu Supercell. Supercell. Ah oui, Hay-Day. Hay-Day. Ça, gros, ma daronne, elle avait une ferme de baisers, frère. Oh. Waouh, comment ma daronne, elle se la butait à ce jeu. C'est une dinguerie, genre. Hay-Day, fera le nom de fou, quoi. Le nom de fou. Ma daronne, moi, elle se l'a buté aussi à... Elle se l'a buté à truc, là. Putain. Subway Surfer, voilà. Wesh, le nom de... Oh, putain, j'ai trop de mémoire de PC. Putain, bon... Candy Crush, ouais, mais ça, Candy Crush, même encore aujourd'hui, ça, elle se la bute, ça, c'est... Vas-y. Ça, vas-y, elle se la bute toujours aujourd'hui, donc... Ça a pas changé, ça. Ça a pas bougé. Je sais pas si elle avait retrouvé son compte d'époque ou si elle en avait refait un, mais... Pouah. Oula, wesh. Ça passe sur Twitch, ça? Ça passe sur Twitch, ça, hein? Ouais, ok. Ok. Ok, ok. Attends, c'est... J'ai fait ça, moi? Ok, c'est un rêve. Ok. Ok, ok. Je m'en doutais un peu. Je m'en doutais un peu que... Voilà. Ok, ok. Ok, ok. Let's go work. Let's go, guys. C'est j'y pars. Let's me cook. Let's me cook, let's me cook. Putain, il est cabossé quand même, le frérot. Hein. Oh, putain. Le big pot que je viens de me prendre. Mais sympa, j'aime bien. Il y en aura d'autres. Il y en aura d'autres. Moi, c'est elle que je veux gérer, moi. C'est pas l'autre meuf invisible. Je m'en bats les couilles de la meuf invisible. Après, si je peux gérer les deux. Ah, les bâtards.
Coop was a friend of his. They used to date. Yeah,
Ah.
my last girlfriend was taller than me. She used to kiss me on my forehead a lot. It was nice. What were we talking about? Oh, right. Watch out for that salty little nutcracking motherfucker. The problem with only cutting one of them is now you gotta deal with their pissy friends poisoning the rest of the team.
I don't know. Maybe it was a mistake. Maybe we should have given more of a shot.
Nah, they're all soft. That's why I would have cut them all. Starting with that asshole. Why's she staring at you? Don't you got some work to do?
Don't you got some dementia to onset?
Oh.
Yeah, that one stung a little. Hey, Blazer's looking at backfilling your open spot with Phenomenon or Waterboy. You should think about who you'd want.
One of them is the poster boy of SDN and the other guy pukes water. What am I missing?
Wesh.
Shit, he looks rough.
Il me dégoûte un peu, là.
Well, sometimes it's more about the person than the powers. And good thing, because it's the only reason anyone gave your sorry ass a job.
All right, it wasn't that funny.
Attends, mais il est tard, là, en fait. Il est déjà 1h. Je t'attarde pas dessus. Ok, bah normalement...
Protopulse test 7, pilot ready.
normalement, devrait pas avoir à s'attarder dessus, quoi.
We good. All you, Mecha Man.
Parce que je pense pas que ça va me faire des petits QTE en mode... tu vois? Je pense pas. En mode gros zizi, quoi. Ouais, non, ça devrait aller. On peut faire ça? C'est quoi le nom des modes? Que je les installe surtout pas, hein.
Onto something, bro. This is it. This is gonna be it. Okay, we passed the PE class.
My best subject.
Oh!
Protopulse test.
J'ai peur qu'il y a dans God of War.
Failure.
Qu'il y a dans God of War, je vais pas être dans la merde, moi. Ah ouais, il y a beaucoup dans les premiers. Je me souviens pas. Après, j'ai jamais trop joué. J'avais joué peut-être au 2 ou au 3, je crois, mais...
Whole network expect me for process all the confiscated stuff. Cause we the bottom branch for SDN, we catch all kind of shit work, bro.
Did you just give me an up-down?
We take one bad guy stuff and use them for catch the other bad guy. Only
Moi, je le veux, hein.
A lot of upgrade possibilities.
Après, là, maintenant, là, voilà, je suis dans une situation... J'ai peur.
You low, Vizzy.
I mean, obviously you have, right? I should really be asking how often.
Eh, come on. I gotta work on this.
All the time, actually.
Bro.
I like to bust after every big bust, you know, and I was pretty successful, so you can imagine.
Sounds like loads of fun.
You two got
Où tu baisses des meufs pour gagner des orbes et up tes armes. Ah ouais? Tes larmes? Tes lames? Ok, wow, putain, je...
I got work, yeah?
Robert was just leaving.
I can do this all day.
That's gonna be tough, because Blazer sent me to get you like half an hour ago, so...
Elle m'a maté pendant une demi-heure! Coquine va.
Shit, Blazer. Sorry. You know what? I can come back.
Oh no, don't worry. I got this thing tonight, and they were supposed to send the dress yesterday. This isn't why you're here, but can you zip me up? It's not mine. By the way, they make me wear it, then it's back in a bag by midnight.
What is happening today?
What's that?
What's happening today? The thing you're going to.
SDN sponsoring a dinner gala thing. Radiant Valor, a night of triumph.
Je vais peut-être pas finir cet épisode ce soir. Hein. Enfin, là tout de suite, parce que du coup, j'avais pas eu qu'il était aussi tard. J'avais pas eu qu'il était aussi tard. Alors, un Ibar qui dépasse là où je suis. Je dis cash, moi.
Alarm, but a little bit of your areola is out. It's like a slight hue shift.
I don't think I've heard someone say areola out loud before.
Aréole. Ça s'appelle aréole. Ok.
All right, for real now. How do I look? The breakup story is out, so I might be getting more attention.
Allez, un taille. J'ai pas envie de faire. J'ai peur. J'ai peur.
We tucked in, which I think we can agree is the most important thing.
Better it happen here than on the red carpet.
A lot less photos. Yeah.
I was supposed to be going with him, but I don't think he's going to be making it. The downtown branch dropped him. Indefinite suspension.
Ah ouais, putain, il est en dep complet, le frère.
I don't have a car.
That's gonna be a weird insurance claim.
I'd like for you to talk to him.
Oh putain.
Why me?
You're the pep talk guy. You've been through a transition recently yourself. I think he could use some perspective.
En vrai, ça serait cool, ouais, des remakes des premiers God of War. J'ai toujours voulu me les faire. Hein.
Chase mentioned it.
Yeah. The only candidates that make sense are him or Waterboy.
J'ai toujours voulu me les faire, mais bah, comme c'est un peu vieux.
Close. Mostly, I'd like you to get him out of the parking lot. Oh, and tell him to stop with the edible arrangements. He keeps sending them, but with all melon.
That's disgusting. I'll see what I can do.
Ah ouais, il est dans le mal, le frère. Hein. Et il ressemble un peu à Gotham. S'il avait la barbe jusqu'au bout, ça serait Gotham un peu. En plus musclé, du coup. Avec des pouvoirs, il peut voler aussi, mais...
Robertson, the blonde blazer and I have ended our relationship.
Yeah.
C'est pas si vieux que ça.
Heard about
Les premiers?
Sorry for your
Un petit peu quand même, non?
loss.
It's very abrupt. One moment we were savoring uni straight from the urchin. Next moment, I'm contemplating flying into the sun.
On doit être quoi? On doit être sur genre... J'allais dire 2000... J'allais dire 2009. 2005 le premier, frère. J'étais pas né.
Maybe then I would be free of the torment in my soul. And maybe then I could quiet my mind.
Ah ouais, mon frère. Ah, je peux pas. Je peux pas. Oh putain. Ah.
Please don't extinguish
Non.
the sun, Phenomenon. We like it how it is.
Do you? These days I find its ability to rise each morning irritatingly optimistic.
Ça m'apprendra à faire des recherches en...
Do you
Oh,
think
oui.
there is someone else? Perhaps another lover could be the cause of all this. Maybe she met a person. An actual person. I am not a person, I just resemble one anatomically.
Look, I don't think there is, but even if there was, wouldn't that just make you feel worse?
I prefer when problems have solutions.
That's the thing, man. Phenomenon. Man. Her feelings aren't a problem for you to solve. Blazer makes her own decisions, because that's what people do. She's her own person, and she decided she doesn't want to be with you.
Perhaps the fact that I am not a person is contributing to my confusion.
Yeah, listen, you know what, while we're at it, no more edible arrangements. They're just stinking up the break room.
It seems I have much to learn about people. Thank you. You've given me a great deal to think about.
Anytime. Well, actually, no, not anytime. Just sometimes, occasionally. Barely any.
It seems the velocity with which I sat up has shot shards of glass into your chest.
Well, shit.
Ça a un peu fait mal, j'avoue, c'était... Et là, va y avoir la meuf en... Ah, je savais.
Parking lot. Didn't think taking a desk job would have me bleeding this often. What are you doing here?
I had a dream last night that we were fucking. Usually I don't remember my dreams, but this one was pretty vivid.
T'as une grosse bite.
Was it the one where I have a big dick in it?
Yeah, actually, you did.
I have that one too. So this is why you've been acting so weird all day.
I'm doing that thing where I imagine being with someone, you know? See how it feels, how it looks. You know, like trying on a dress.
You were there.
I could have been. I could be anywhere.
Sorry, I tried not to do that.
Don't worry about it, water boy.
Sound.
Bathrooms are for shitting after your first coffee and picking shrapnel out of your chest. Not for whatever this is.
Ugh, you ruined this for me!
I know.
Il est cool ce jeu, j'aime bien. J'aime bien. Wesh, bif. Il est gros quand même, le clébard. Hein. Ah, tu m'étonnes si tu lui donnes des tranchards comme ça, frère. Putain, t'as mal à la tête du bestiau, toi. Ok, let's go. I'm back on the road. Du coup, on a pu... Voilà, il nous manque quelqu'un, du coup.
Weird that Coop's gone.
Glad you made the cut though, dude. Imagine if it was Coop and Vizzy together.
I imagine Coop and Vizzy all the time.
Bon.
Help us
C'était
get stuff
sexuel.
out of the dorm. Yeah? You guys do that kind of stuff, right?
En temps normal, j'aurais utilisé le frérot, la courpif. Mais là, vu qu'il est en mode fils de pute, bah, je pense que je vais l'utiliser quand même. C'est quoi, nique sa mère.
Hearing a lot about some guy named Chad. I think he's trying to summon a demon.
Wait, wasn't there a cult of Chad?
Ah, vas-y, il m'énerve ce chien. Ok. Rejoindre la secte. Envoyer. Bah,
Any idea
bah,
where the church is? I could snoop around.
vas-y, la famille.
Hello,
Go.
citizens, it's me,
alors. Ok.
Oh my
Ah,
god,
comme-
hello? Is this SDN? I was driving along the coast in this
À la limite, les surveillants se posaient, sinon les amener d'urgence à l'hôpital.
Guess what?
Let's fuck it up out there.
Absolutely.
Ah merde, devenons commencer à chercher. Examine l'hôtel, dupe, l'enfant de cœur. Je pense qu'il faut de la tchatch pour ça. Ouais. Et il y a les fines là-dedans.
My tail's wagging, I swear.
It's 3rd and 7 in the UCT red zone, and tensions have boiled over into a full-on fistfight.
Okay. Robert,
Let's go, baby.
advising my stapler? Think I left it at your desk.
Nope, I don't see it.
I feel like you didn't look.
I did. It took like 2 seconds. I didn't see it.
Can you look again?
Yeah, still don't see it, dude.
Shit.
Why do you need it? You're in the field.
I just want to make sure it's there. It's a very nice stapler.
Where the hell'd you go? Job's not finished. Dude, we need you to bring everything up to our new place.
Ta mère, frère. C'est un ouf là, oui. Ah, on a de la speed normalement, wesh, ça devrait le faire, non? Ah ouais, pixel, hein. Oh putain. Elle est en volant, bah reste tombé, on peut pas voler. Super. Invisi meuf. Prends un peu plus de combat. Ok. Ouais.
Someone just dropped off a box of games with a note saying there's a bomb inside one of them. Can you send someone?
Ok. Là, il nous faut quelqu'un, je pense, de... Cool. Je suis pas de gens intelligents, là. Allez, fuck. Charge les mêmes en carton lourd dans le nouvel appartement. T'as pas de force, en fait. Parce que c'est pas... Il a pas de force non plus, en fait. Mais j'ai personne qui a de la force, en fait. Vous êtes tous faits, bande de salopes.
I'm gonna reroute to avoid churches and law offices. I just don't need that kind of drama today.
Fine, good.
Nice.
Half man, half bat, all freak.
Identifier et désarmer la bombe. Le problème, c'est qu'il y a deux, ils ont le cul d'une huître, frère. Ça va être chaud, hein, je pense. Faut quelqu'un dessus.
We need you to send somebody else. This is too much.
We're out of somebody's. You're gonna have to make do.
You sound like my first manager. I fired his ass.
Really didn't
Quel
think
jeu
so,
coche,
did you, Robert?
quel jeu cache la bombe? Comment je suis censé savoir?
If you hadn't cut Coop, this would be a breeze.
Can't believe I'm saying this, but Sonar has a point.
Noted. Can you just hang in there a little longer? I'll see what I can do.
And I'd be right quick about it if I was you.
Il a passé. Wow! Wow!
I think I'm gonna use me head.
Ok. Strong. Banger, mon gars. Wow.
Sorry, Casey. One of my teachers called out. There has to be someone at SDN who can teach a jujitsu class.
Need a light?
J'ai personne d'autre, mon frère, en fait. Là, je suis dans la hesse, là, wesh. C'est chaud, là, je suis en galère de ouf. Ah ouais, tu m'étonnes, frère. Ouais. Ouais, je vais me défoncer après ça. Ouais, moi aussi, je vais me défoncer après ça, frère.
About Coop's old crew being back in town. Think she might have gone back to them after you cut her?
Typical. Coop's switching up on us. Shut your hole.
Everyone just relax. I'm sure it's just a very unfortunate coincidence.
You're an unfortunate coincidence.
New me? Fucking rocks.
Ok, là, on n'est pas trop mal. On récupère le frérot. Zoubizou. Toi, hop, drink some tea. On a la frérote invisible là.
Interesting. We're not done for the day.
Ok, banger, vas-y mon frère. Casse-toi. Oh putain. Clairement passé de stade. Hein. Ah, j'aurais dû en envoyer deux, j'avais pas assez de personnes, frère. Entraînement héroïque. Ouais. Plus tard. Eh, frère, c'est vraiment dur comme jeu par contre, hein. Je pensais pas. Hein. Waouh.
I mean, all things considered, I'll call that a win.
Je pensais pas que c'était un jeu aussi dur, franchement. Toi, il est un peu con, lui, en fait. Ça, c'est un peu le game, quoi. Dans renfort, dizaines de jeunes. Ah, putain. Comment ça, c'est dur? Bah, genre, avec les choix, tu sais, des machins et tout, trucs muches. C'est chaud, hein?
I'll handle this shit like I handle all my shits. Upside down.
Genre là, frère, je suis en galère, là.
He's a mind reader. She has X-ray vision. Together they are the ultimate invasion of privacy. Oh, sorry, is this SDN? We need help.
Reading minds is more of a curse than being part demon. Oh, that looks bad. Can I have it?
Ok.
We've cleared everyone out already, but like, someone called us about a bomb in one of the theaters.
Je suis désolé, invisible meuf, mais je pense que tu vas te faire fumer, hein.
What was that?
Bah, faut juste un peu réfléchir. Ah, mais frère, il y a trop de trucs d'un coup.
Why would I
C'est
need
chaud,
to
frère.
steal your stapler? I already have a stapler.
So what you're saying is now you have 2 staplers.
C'est dur pour toi. Ouais, pourquoi tu me juges, frère? Pourquoi t'es dans le jugement? Elle aura pas le niveau. Ben bien sûr que non, qu'elle n'aura pas le niveau, frère.
Ugh, I thought we had it.
Tout le monde dort, là. Putain, j'ai pas de café. Perturbation. Wapet. Les gens, on dirait qu'ils sont... Oh, putain. Vas-y. Frère. Oh, maman. What the fuck? Ça va, ça c'est ok. Ça, en vrai, genre, ça va, t'as eu. Les trucs comme ça, merde. Les trucs comme ça, c'est ok. Merde. Mais ça, c'est un peu le truc de la sûreté en vrai. Hein. C'est, vas-y, t'as vu, je me mouille pas trop, j'ai peur de faire de la merde, donc ça part là-dedans. Meuble assemblement. Baisse ta mère, fils de pute. J'ai personne d'assez smart pour faire ça, mon frère. Je dois monter des meubles.
What? No, Phil's my dog. Can you just like walk him around the park?
Brace yourselves, bitches. They could be dudes too. I just mean, bitches as people. I don't see gender. Only people to fuck up.
Assembler les meubles à des instructions fournies. Eh, vas-y. Ah, mais elle est... Ah, mais elle va mourir.
gone from shaking his fist at cars to sadly directing traffic.
Well, at least he's putting his newfound pain to use.
I had no idea Blazer was such a heartbreaker.
Is that surprising?
I'm just impressed. Didn't think she had it in her.
Maybe you shouldn't be so quick to judge people.
Gross. You sound just like her.
You calling me a heartbreaker?
In your dreams.
Oh. Après, dans les rêves, il n'y a pas que des cœurs que j'ai brisés, si je me souviens bien. Eh ouais. Ah bah ouais, mais c'était sûr qu'elle avait pas un assez gros cerveau, mon frère. Oh. Je suis trop fier de toi. Banger. Smart girl, en fait. Let's go. Je savais elle allait y arriver, frère. Je suis toujours cru en elle, en vrai. Hein. Toujours.
Where was it?
I left it in the locker in the gym.
I have a lot of follow-up questions, but I don't care about the answers.
Voilà, tu vois, on va là. Temporisation. Tu tempo, le temps que les autres ils se reposent. Ah là, bien.
Jerry from Comic Pug. We got a gift of some Mecha Man replicas, but with all the bomb threats going on, we just want to be sure.
Make that latte to go.
Yeah, I follow.
Là, j'en vois beaucoup. Ils sont pas beaucoup de niveau, quoi. Alors, c'est un héros, après avoir signé un héros, Malévola crée un portail près de la mission une fois par période de travail. La portée dure 15 ans à la fin de la mission. Après avoir signé un héros, Malévola révèle également les stats de la prochaine mission à laquelle elle est assignée. Révèle un gars, hein. Non, je pense que ça, c'est mieux. Le truc du TP, ça a l'air plus cool. Hein. Ça va être rapide au moins. Full fast, hein. Mechaman Blue. Mechaman Prime. J'ai mon chat qui est en train de gratter mon câble Ethernet qui passe sous la peau. Il ne peut pas frapper ce qu'il ne voit pas. Good. Ok, cool.
You're not impressed. You can't. I mean, you can, I just won't believe you.
Ok, cool.
Ready, set, fire. And that's lunch. Think back.
Ugh, great. I'ma drink my spicy water.
10 réussites sur 15 missions. Franchement, pour moi, c'est une réussite. Franchement, je prends ça pour un pouce bleu. Banger.
Still working on that? Aren't these the best? I love the green ones, the green dew.
All yours. Take the whole thing if you want.
Awesome. My lucky day. I know what's for lunch or dinner. Probably. Now. Sorry for interrupting your meeting with Invisa.
Oh, god damn it. You threw my noodles away? My initials were literally on the box and everything. Fuck!
I don't read things. Sometimes it's different, like a logo, but it's probably still good.
I don't want the fucking trash noodles, wet fart boy.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Whatever, it was an accident. Just aim your dick up and water piss it off. That's not... You...
I'm gonna go rinse off.
How would you like to have to walk around work the rest of the day with shit all over you?
I don't know, I don't think about that, because it won't happen. Because I'm not a fucking idiot food thrower awayer.
It was an accident. You don't have to be a bully about it. You want this in your report?
What, you're gonna snitch on me? I mean, motherfucker, I won't do that. You're just being a soft bitch about it. Bully? How am I being a bully? In fuck!
Oh, wow. I wasn't expecting it to go straight. That was extra. Sorry.
You're gonna choke on this fucking...
Hey, Robert, could you...
Spaghetti.
Did you eat my lunch? Why would you do that?
I don't want to be a snitch, but Flambe was really hungry. I mean, look at him.
Really?
Yes.
Well, if you're gonna eat it, I wish more of it got into your mouth. Go get cleaned up, then clean this up, then pick me up a BLT from Johnny's, and we'll call it even.
Yes.
Okay, whatever that was. Listen, Robert. Jesus. Anyway, you talked to Chase. Who's it gonna be? Phenomenon or Waterboy?
And these two are my only options.
For now, yeah. Obviously, we can revisit it, but Waterboy is already a trainee, sorta, and you already know Phenomenon got cut by DTLA. Thanks for getting him out of the parking lot, by the way. It might also help to get, you know, an actual good person on your team, which I'm positive both of them are.
Let's go with Waterboy. I think he deserves a shot, and he seems shockingly more stable than Phenomenon at the moment.
I hear ya. I might have him take care of this mess before he starts, but yeah, let's go with it. I'll let him know. He really looks up to you.
Does he look up
Bye,
to
guys.
me, or... Wait, does he know I'm Mechaman?
Yeah, but he said he won't tell anyone.
I guess that's good.
I'll let him know. You'll see him in the roster for your next dispatch.
Hey, I leave. It's not. It's my clothes. They're waterproof-ish.
Yeah, that's gonna clog.
No. I do this. See?
Ah, didn't realize you had a plan.
Blonde, Miss Blaze. She talked to me. Thanks for picking me. I'm just really just to join you.
Jazzed. The word is jazzed, and we're jazzed to have you too, bud. I'm even reasonably optimistic that you deserve it. See you next shift.
Il va tellement se faire bully, il va tellement se foutre en l'air. Il est tellement pas prêt. Il est tellement pas prêt pour ça. Ouïe, ouïe, ouïe. Le frère est pareil.
Hey, team. We appreciate you doing your best last shift under the circumstances, but we are here to help. More specifically, Waterboy is here to help.
Sup?
Excuse me?
Ain't no way.
He may be new to this, but Robert and I believe he will make a great addition to the team.
This is bullshit. Good morning, evening. Hello.
This is a joke, right?
I don't. Wait. Maybe. Is it a joke?
Nope, Waterboy, it's not a joke.
Oh. Cool, Leo.
We have reason to believe that Mr. Vanderstank's life will be in danger at a meeting today.
Ah, du coup, il a des stats de mort, quoi.
What's it going to be this time?
On veut de la speed à balle.
Easy enough.
Don't mind if I do.
Wow, these one-on-ones seem to be really working out. I think I could make this training a regular thing, you know?
Huddle. Guys, watch. Look out.
Why the fuck am I all wet?
Sorry. I'm... Apologize. It's my fault. Mistake. I get wet when nervous. Ooh, this one's gonna be good.
Je me suis douté qu'il allait avoir un petit conflit, quoi. Les gens viennent pour révéler le nom de lancement et l'étude de crime des armes de maison. Il y en a un problème, le nom des games. Comment les espèces sont doublées? Oh mon dieu! Ok.
I've got a great opportunity to show the sweeter side of your ex-criminal crew at SDN.
Yeah, I can't believe Sweet Talker went with Emily last season. Him and Carla seem perfect for each other.
L'aspect physique est évalué avec l'apparence. Un frérot en costard et tout, il a l'aura un peu, non? Après, est-ce qu'il est séduisant? Je pense pas, mais... Vas-y, on va voir la démon. Elle a du flow un peu, je trouve.
I feel like working at a gas station would be pretty chill.
fuck with a pet store.
Yeah, right. You hate pets.
I hate pets with bad attitudes.
What pets have good attitudes?
Snakes. They're just chilling.
That is true. Every snake is chill.
Pas le bon mouton.
I don't mind being a janitor, but I always wanted to be a hero.
Oh, he's got jokes.
Don't quit your day job, kid.
This is my job. Day job.
Listen, you tried and you suck. It happens. The important thing is you suck. And you know this now.
Ah, elle fait du bon taf. Le jeu est stylé en vrai. Ça là,
I know y'all saw that. Don't be
ouais.
jealous. It's okay.
En vrai, c'est cool. J'aime bien. Besoin de record, j'ai déjà envoyé du monde là-bas.
On a show, we need Terrence the Turtle to beat someone up for team morale.
You mind if I smoke?
J'en sais quoi, ouais. Non, ouais, le jeu est cool. Le jeu est cool. C'est sympa.
We tracked down the assassin's temporary base of operations.
C'est plutôt sympa. J'aime bien les cinématiques. Les cinématiques, elles sont stylées aussi. Les cinématiques, elles ont un peu de la gueule. Gauche, gauche, haut. 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 Droite, droite, bas. Gauche, gauche, gauche. Non. Gauche, gauche, haut. Droite, droite, bas. Gauche, gauche, gauche. Droite, droite, bas. Gauche, gauche, droite, bas. Gauche, gauche, haut. Droite, droite, bas. Oh, fils de pute. Oh, fils de pute. Oh, fils de pute. Ok. 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 Good, good, good. Ok.
Oh shit.
Me suis pas chié dessus.
They're after Coop.
And they can try. Fuck those arseholes.
Can you give her a heads up or something?
Way ahead of you, Bob.
New me?
Ah, on va les brothers là-bas.
Okay. Another bottle.
Water, bitch, almost took me out back there.
Is there a return policy on this motherfucker?
Yeah, maybe we get someone who doesn't suck instead.
Sorry for the puddles. It's involuntary.
Ease up, it's his first day.
Can it be his last day, too?
Well, if he's so awful, show him the ropes.
Because some things you just can't teach.
Okay, sounds like quitter talk to me.
You calling us quitters?
Prove me wrong.
Good boy. Ah, le jeu est vrai. Le jeu est vraiment, en vrai, le jeu est vraiment cool. En vrai. Moi, j'aime bien. Je pensais pas que j'allais aimer le délire un peu de gestion, etc. Mais en vrai, c'est vraiment pas mal. En vrai, c'est vraiment pas mal.
Hello, dispatcher. Would you like to play a little game? Perhaps a brain teaser?
Ugh, I hate this asshole. Careful, he's tricky.
His name's Brain Teaser. How tricky can he be?
Don't say I didn't warn you.
Ok, on a une synergie avec les deux broys, du coup. Ok, plutôt cool. J'ai eu des pouvoirs chez quelqu'un d'autre. Non. Ah, attends. Ah, il y avait moyen de faire un truc. Putain, merde.
Time to freak some fuckers out.
Or I could also just track you down.
Going in.
Le problème, c'est que j'ai pas de personne assez smart, en fait.
Hey, Hottie.
Hey, thanks for noticing.
Eliteka, convaincre leur chef de quitter Tarance, ce gars. Un dernier accord, conclure un accord.
You know, people judge me when they first see me, but then they get to know me and they judge me even more.
I'm on it. No stopping me this time.
Arrête pas, mon gars.
Okay. I can do this.
Vas-y, fratello. Moi, je crois en lui, moi. Je pense qu'il peut le faire, en vrai. Il va prouver, c'est un crack, hein. Il manque un peu de def, quand même. Enfin, de vitalité ou je sais pas quoi. Vigueur ou je sais plus comment ils appellent ça, c'est conneries. Oh, la gueule du type. Oh, putain. Ok. Eh merde. Je m'en doutais. Il n'y avait pas le level.
I don't know what fucking happened on that one, mate.
It's bath time, bud. Little dude.
Cool. T'es chaud, fraté. Parfait. Petit crack. Oh, 2 levels, il a pris. Craquito, va. Petit malin. Vous l'avez caché, celui-là. Bon, ça sera pas un fighter, par contre. Hein. Il sera pas... Niveau fight, on va même pas vraiment le up des masses. Hein. Et attends, je peux faire up. Ah, putain, joli. Je vais juste être un frérot qui va vite. Elle est down, elle, du coup elle est... Ah non, elle est juste en mission. Non, si, elle est down, ok.
There's a retired SDN hero at Kryptonite causing problems. Can you get him out of there?
Oh shit, Astroman. I remember him when I was a kid.
Poor guy. I've been there.
Really?
Before I joined the Z team, I didn't have a pot to piss in. Fair play. How tall are you, anyways?
I don't know. Depends on the dirt. Depends on the day, baby.
Ah, you lucky bastard.
Great, good shift. Shift every, go. Z team.
Did you hit your head slipping on one of your own fucking puddles?
Excuse me.
Ça s'est plutôt bien passé, je suppose. Parfait.
Hey, fit like a glove.
9 sur 10, on en a perdu qu'une, mais je suis un crack. Craquito, va.
Not only did you cut one of their dumb shit criminal buddies, you're also forcing them to work with
An actual good person that wants to be a hero?
I was gonna go with Wet Baby Bitch Boy, but yeah, we can go with yours.
Yeah, let's go with mine.
Ça fera 4 heures, hein.
Hey kid, love you.
Love you too, Unc.
Don't fuck this up.
Ça va être 2 heures, faut vraiment que j'aille me coucher en vrai. Si là c'est pas la fin, là après ça je couperai et puis on reprendra ça demain.
Hey, Mom. Hey, honey.
Est-ce qu'on va avoir Invisible Girl là qui va pop d'un coup, comme par magico? Je pense. Non? Est-ce que je suis un peu déçu? Un petit peu. Mais un peu qu'on nous pille. Un peu con le clébard. Oh, miskin.
Those, they make fun of my issue, my stutter.
Here, hold the beef. It'll help.
What?
I don't think it's a stutter.
What? Can you not? It's happening right currently. This very right now. You can't? I'm concerned. I'm worried.
What you need is to believe in yourself. I don't think you have a stutter. I think you have a confidence issue. You're worried you're going to say the wrong thing so you won't finish the sentence. I'm blowing your mind. What are you afraid of with the Z-Team? I mean, seriously, what's the worst that could happen?
I don't know, they call me useless. They call me, I don't know, they think I suck.
See? They say that all the time. You worrying about it didn't stop a thing. So fuck them. Fuck me, fuck everybody. From now on, stop caring what anyone else thinks. It smells very chemically in here. What you watching?
Typecast 2. You spying on me?
Technically, you're still on the clock. Didn't peg you as a rom-com fan.
If I'm on the clock, you shouldn't be pegging me with anything, Robert. That's extremely inappropriate. Especially since I'm usually the picker, not the peggy.
Noted. Well, tell me how it is. I wanted to see that one.
There's still
At least 20 minutes of trailers. I always forget what I'm watching by the time the movie starts.
Same. You going solo?
I'm a loner, Robbie. A rebel. That and I feel bad asking people to pay when I'm just gonna sneak in. The only lame thing is I can't get snacks.
Floating buckets of popcorn do tend to draw a lot of attention.
Ah, but I miss it. I miss popcorn.
Oh putain, va falloir faire un choix. Oh putain. Ah les bâtards. Ah les bâtards. Je voulais pas choisir entre les deux. Je voulais prendre les deux. Putain. Bande d'enculés. Oh putain. Il a dit que ça meurt la meuf invisible. Oh je regrette déjà. Je regrette déjà. Oh, putain. Quoi bah frère.
See you tomorrow.
Pas les deux.
Spoilers.
Yep. Have
Chier. Putain. Ah, je suis sûr avec elle ça va aboutir à rien en plus. Ah quoique.
Too much coffee?
Wait,
Sure. What's up?
this isn't what I look like.
I don't totally know what
Quoi?
you mean.
Oh putain. Oh merde.
The powers make me. It doesn't matter. I'm just gonna show you. Are you good with that?
Oh merde.
I have absolutely no idea what
Oh
you're
merde,
about
je
to
sais.
say.
Oh
This is
putain, je
very
savais que j'aurais
serious.
pas dû prendre celle-là. J'ai regretté dès que j'ai appuyé sur X de toute façon. Putain. Ça va être une meuf tentacule ou quoi? Putain. Elle va être rincée, je le sens, elle va être rincée. Oh, je le sens. Ça va être Instagram versus The Reality. Oh putain de merde. Oh, quoique. Oh. Oh wow! Oh wow! Mais j'ai tellement bien fait de prendre elle! Oh!
Disappointed.
Are you kidding? I can't tell if are you joking or am I joking?
It's a big difference.
You're what? What? 2 inches shorter?
And a brunette. Come on, it's.
Yes!
Maybe if I wasn't called Blonde Blazer, I wouldn't be so self-conscious about it. People have expectations, and they never meet me first. It's always the superhero. It's hard to live up to.
Why do you care what I think?
Because I like you.
J'aurais dû l'embrasser, putain!
I just wanted to hear you say it.
Hey, I'm Mandy.
Robert, it's really nice to meet you, Mandy.
Likewise.
Mais non, elle, je l'aime bien, frère! Depuis le début, elle a été sympa avec nous et tout.
I would love that.
Mais je serai toujours là pour la meuf invisible. T'as vu, je vais la soutenir et tout. Grâce à moi, elle va.
Whoa.
Oh, banger. Grâce à moi, elle va être on the top, frère.
Well, it's all Michelin stars when you're on a date with me.
Oh, so this is a date.
If you think it is, it is.
Did you know that the Michelin star ratings were created by the tire company? They gave high ratings to restaurants away from the cities to get people to drive more.
Quand tu dis la scène de tout à l'heure, c'est le rêve de la meuf tout à l'heure, là? Je m'en fous.
Really unsure what to do with this information.
I felt the same.
Waterboy, you don't have to do that anymore.
Oh.
You're allowed to go home, right?
Yes, I'm not running a sweatshop. Hey, Waterboy, go home. What does he think that I could possibly be saying that would make him keep going?
Ta gueule.
You sure you don't miss the blonde?
Look, I actually prefer brunettes, so this is great.
Oh, is it now?
Yeah, I actually came here tonight to ask you to dye your hair.
Oh, wow. What a coincidence.
I know. It's crazy.
Par contre, là, il y a un truc qui me chiffonne un peu. Tout à l'heure, j'ai dit au monsieur Musclor, là. Ouais, non, il n'y a pas d'autre gars, t'inquiète, frère. Passe à autre chose, frérot. Et là, je sors avec son ancienne meuf, là. Eh, j'ai pas envie de me... Oh. Réparez vite l'armure, les frères. Réparez vite l'armure, les frères. J'ai un peu peur pour ma vie, là. Un chouïa peur, là. Les problèmes... Un peu. J'ai pas envie de finir avec Raboué sous une voiture, si tu vois ce que je veux dire. Tu vois, c'est... Il y a 43... Attends, t'es en train de dire que là, du coup, il y a 57% des joueurs qui ont choisi la meuf invisible. Ils ont peut-être réfléchi au fait qu'elle, ce soit l'ex de... Peut-être moyen. Moi, j'ai pas réfléchi, moi, j'ai... Ah ouais, putain, ah ouais, putain. Ah, putain, j'aurais dû dire au gars, frérot, j'ai embrassé ta meuf. Tu vois, j'aurais dû lui dire, la meuf invisible, amour sincère. Non, je pense pas. Elle même juste parce que j'étais sympa avec elle et qu'elle pense que je vais la sortir de la merde et tout. 100%. Y a pas d'amour sincère, frère. Ça existe pas. Tenz et Kaede, ils sont plus ensemble, frère. Y a pas d'amour sincère. Ça existe pas, l'amour sincère. Qu'est-ce que tu me racontes, frère?